Here's my obligatory parts display prior to doing a PC build. Alright, this is my first PC build. I have exchanged parts here and there like a lot of folks, but this is my first complete build, so kind of jumping off in the deep end here. Be easy on me in the comments down below. You can see I've already made one parts selection blunder. Yeah, it's gonna work for me for now, but just like at the end of a hard night's drinking when those beer goggles wear off, you might have to get out the brown bag. Alright, now that I've offended a lot of people, let's talk about what parts I've selected here. Case wise, got the Fractal Design R5 with the window. I just love the way this thing looks. The window was a bonus. It was $79 on sale. Boom, I just went with it. Let's talk about the big daddy down here. The big little daddy. Intel i7-7700k. Alright, I know the AMD Ryzen stuff is out. That's not what I went with. I'm going with Intel, alright? And matching that up with the ASUS Z270E motherboard. And to keep that CPU cool, going to throw on the Corsair H100i V2 liquid cooler. Power supply EVGA Supernova 650 G3. This is that is the 80 gold rated. Over here we have some GSkill DDR4 3200 RAM, two 8GB sticks, 16 gig total for now. Hopefully that'll be good enough for a while. And oh, hard drives. So first off, I have the Crucial SSD, and that's a M2 right there, 525 gigabyte hard drive. Went with that after watching Tech Deals. I know it's not the fastest one out there, but it's plenty fast for what I'm going to be for a while for me. And then Seagate, 3 terabyte hard drive over here, so I can throw all my video files on it and such. And I am old school, so I did go ahead and throw in a $17 DVD optical drive there. Alright, so there's the main parts. Let's talk about that snafu here. Non-refundable, so I'll be able to live with it for a little bit. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Yeah. GTX 1060. I know. You know, with the Intel i7-7700 should be. I should have went with the 1070 at minimal, but I'm not sure what happened there. But with the budget, and it's 3 gigabyte. Oh God. Let's build this thing. about to try this out for the first time. Very first build. Oh, of course, dummy. Switch the switch on in the back for the power supply. That was a little bit of a pucker moment. Guess I don't want to jinx myself. Okay. Something's happened. Ooh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Alright. Well, this is doing whatever. You can see, here's my, ooh, yes. Alright. I'm going to look at that here in a sec. But you can see my old monitors here. This is the reason why I just stuck a 1060 card in there, if that makes sense. Even though I'm kind of regretting the decision, I should have just went with the 1070, ponied up an extra 200 now. But this monitor is only a 780p. It's not even a monitor, it's a freaking TV, even though it has a monitor hookup on the back. DVI or HDMI. I'm using the HDMI. And then my old Dell 19-inch, basically the same caliber. So I'm just excited this thing is going. I'm going to take a look at all that and get it set up. But thanks for sticking with me through this through my first build vid. Put those comments down below. Go easy on me, alright? Wasn't really a how-to, it was just kind of like, let's do this type of vid. I digress. I'm just happy. I gotta get Windows 10 put on there and go from there. Then I'll start looking at overclocking and all that after I make sure Windows 10 is going good. So, and I have been watching a lot of tech deals and Paul's Hardware and channels like that just to give me the confidence and information to do this on my own. So if I can do it, you can do it. Alright. Boom.